Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well and trust you're having a good day. It is Tuesday, Twisted Tuesday, April 22nd. We're 2 minutes away from the open. This is the daily frame, guys. This is the NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow, of course. We have inside day, inside day, inside day, with bullish bodies here so far overnight with Asia and UK. And so kind of in a holding pattern here, dead center of yesterday's wide-ranging sell down, if you remember. A little pullback near the end of the day, and it really erased all of the New York session here so far. And here we have the 30-minute time frame, of course, guys. This is the sell down from Thursday. Friday was a holiday. This was Monday. Sell down, corrective, impulse, corrective, right back into the open of yesterday. It'd be interesting to see where we go from here today, but in this holding range for now, trying to push up here right before the open. We are now open, guys, on the New York session. Here are the two sisters 1-minute charts, NASDAQ and S&P. I'll bring you back after the 1 minute has completed. And the 1 minute open range is complete, guys. We are looking at 51.5 points approximately for the NASDAQ and 11 points for the S&P. We are now inside of the open range. Nothing for me to do here, guys. Of course, we are inside of the open range. I will draw your attention to the fact that we are sitting at the London open range as well. There's 3 a.m. New York time. We were below open range in London. Now we've pulled all the way back, and we have created the open range, 1 minute open range, for New York at about the same level. I will delete the London open range now. Keep things nice and clean, but I wanted to make specific note of that. Just being patient here, guys, sitting inside of the open range. Nothing to do. I'm going to give this thing some time to play out. All right, guys, pushing up here pretty aggressively at this point. Definitely got some fresh buying coming in here. Just watching this go, guys. I'm going to see if we get any kind of structure here. I'm not interested in chasing stuff here to the long side. All right, guys, we're back. Just watching this thing. We got a bit of a pullback now. Sideways move, some grinding candles here. Just bringing out a marker to do some measuring. No bottom wick on this candle or this candle. Shift, continue, and then resting very suddenly here. Interesting. Just watching this, guys. No orders in. I want to see what we do in here. Something tells me we may be making a run for yesterday's high, which is way... See my cursor over there on the daily? Way up here. Just watching. This is the dance, guys. All right, guys, we've pulled back and essentially tagged the 21 here. Just thinking. All right, buy stop order, guys, right here. Buy stop order. With my stop loss just above the open range under these 2 wicks. But I'm only interested if we break back above the prior candle here and both EMAs with that positive moving average configuration. You see me do this many, many times. Of course, if we drop back down below here, then all bets are off. I'm only interested if the market brings me in. And I'm in, guys. I am in long the NASDAQ. Now it's the waiting game. And while we're waiting here, guys, we'll take a look at that 30-minute chart. Just want to show you this zone. Not a very important zone at all. This is just a sideways grind in the Asian session. Really just a very weak, not really a zone at all, quite frankly. If anything, this zone This zone would mean much more, of course, where prices were stopped from going up and rejected down. This is that sideways grind, kind of the latter half of the Asian range. And so I'm just going to delete that so it doesn't become a mental impediment for you as we watch this trade unfold. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. And now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. So why am I long here, guys? Well, we have an inside day with a bullish body, permissive to both longs and shorts, but leaning towards longs given the bullish body and the extended move down. Very big down day yesterday, in addition to these other down days from last week, if you remember. So we are right before a pullback. On the 30-minute chart, if you remember, we also had this big reversal yesterday that I took advantage of on the long side, which eventually did close off the entire move from New York and is now feeling more bullish. We've also pushed up into this new range here. It's not exactly a clean traffic range because of all this, but there is no way to go long into a big sell down without seeing stuff to the left, and that just needs to be taken into consideration. We have a big, strong, bullish 30-minute candle to start the session, taking out many 30-minute candles. That's a very bullish sign, of course. And then we have this big impulse wave out of the open range, 9 above the 21, closing the gap, squeezing in, tagging the 21, breaking back above this little congestion area and back above the 9 and 21 in that bullish configuration. Fairly straightforward T-con entry here, guys. After these other bullish signs from the daily body, the 30-minute chart, and of course this 1-minute final confirmation. And still no guarantees that we're going to get all the way up here, but we'll see. And target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits as well. And we're back, guys, and while I was downstairs getting a cup of coffee, in those 3 minutes we had this shift candle hit targets. All 4 models fully profitable here, guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Have an amazing day. We'll talk to you soon.